sneezes sound different in other countries? Well, people in English-speaking countries tend to say achoo. French-speaking countries add an M to create achum. A sneeze in Germany sounds like hachi, and in Japan, you're more likely to hear hakshun. Here are some sneezing facts not everyone knows. Many people believe that your heart stops when you sneeze, but it doesn't. Sneezing in your sleep is rare because the nerves that trigger sneezing are also asleep. Some people say Gesundheit or God bless you after someone sneezes. Gesundheit originated in Germany and means health. But God bless you originated during the bubonic plague when sneezing was considered an early sign that you might have the disease.
It's words you never heard.
I'm Carolyn Davidson, and for more Words You Never Heard, check out my podcast at wordsyouneverheard.com.